Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the Tech Team Trials channel where we're going to tinker and learn. Today, we're going to talk about how WPScan on Kali Linux can safeguard your WordPress site. Be sure to like the video on your way in, share the video if you feel like it, and comment below if you got something to say. So, without further ado, we'll get this issue going right now. So basically, we're going to discover how WPScan on Kali Linux can safeguard your WordPress site. I discovered this playing around in Kali Linux. So basically, WPScan is a great tool for securing your WordPress website. With WPScan, they say you can wave goodbye to the nights of worrying about potential vulnerabilities and attacks. This powerful software is designed to scan your WordPress website thoroughly, identifying any weaknesses or security loopholes that hackers could exploit. Imagine having a virtual bodyguard constantly patrolling your website perimeter, searching for any signs of danger. That's exactly what WP Scan does. It goes beyond simple vulnerability scanning and conducting in-depth analysis, ensuring that every nook and cranny of your website is safe and secure, whether it's outdated plugins, weak passwords, or misconfigurations. WP Scan will uncover them before malicious actors get a chance to. But the benefits don't stop there. Not only does WP Kali identify vulnerabilities, but it also provides you with a clear and actionable insights on how to fix them. It has an intuitive user interface that scans results, easy to understand format, and allows even non-technical users to take control of the website's security. So it's pretty cool. So it's something that's worth looking into. So essentially what we have is this site here. I took this one of my sites. I have permission to do it because it belongs to me, of course. Um, and I decided to, run a scan on it just to see what I could find out. Now the commands that we had to run pretty simple. It was WP scan URL. Now the first scan that we're looking at here will get you the site information and plugin information. The second scan is the same thing, but you just append the API token command and your API token, which you can get from WP Scan, like once their website, and that will get you the vulnerability scan. So let's proceed on. So here in this, we decided to scan that site I was just talking about, and we're doing the initial scan. This is just going to tell me basically a lot of site information, and it's going to tell me a lot of the different plugins I have, the versions of the plugins that I have, and any database backup information that I may have as well. So while we wait, as you can see, it updates its database update completed, then it queries what I queried and goes for the information. It lists the headers. It does stuff with robots text, readme.html, and it talks about the must-use plugins, and it talks about my WP cron being enabled. And this is public information, ladies and gentlemen. That's the crazy part to me. It doesn't have to be public information. That's another story for another day. But it identifies the version of WordPress. It identifies the theme, and then it starts enumerating all the plugins and checking plugin versions. And it uses passive and aggressive methods. So it has all my listed um, plugins from WordPress, and like you can't see them all because I didn't scroll up, but it's finishing up the process of doing this initial scan, and then it gives you first it was checking for config backups, and then it talks about the token, not having a token, and you could get a token, tells me where to get a token. So I went to that site and got a token. You can see that site, you can stop it here, you can zoom in, that type of thing. So at this point of the video, I decided to do the second scan of the URL, and I went and got my token in between and decided to see what vulnerabilities, because I was curious, you know, and I just wanted to see. So I reran the scan a second time, and it was beautiful. Not to say that there was no vulnerabilities, but it was great because I got all this information, plus I got an item to work with. So it's kind of doing the same scan that we did before for those that are just dropping in. Now the difference is I put in my API and I got a vulnerability identified with a plugin on the site that I have to look into and see. It should be updated within a day or two, hopefully. So, like the process is completing, and then we should see the end result, hopefully. And then just like the last time, what you have is the end result, but this time it references the API, my plan, free, how many requests I requested for the day, and how many requests I have remaining for the day, and requests done. So that's pretty cool. So if you wanted more information, you could contact me. We could discuss it. You know what I mean? Maybe we could look at your sites and we could see what the vulnerabilities are and that sort of thing. Also, too, be sure to like the video on your way out, share the video with a friend if you feel like sharing a video with a friend, and comment below if you got something to say about it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.